Katna District Council Affairs DCA haka arpoi terik rempang kalapan mi ia ka hukum ban penlong ia ka jing thep vote biang haki Southly ki jaka thep vote ki bahap apo ki artli ki constituency ha East Jaintia Hills District hadin baki pajbor ki bamla ban itu kilarung jubor bat penjulor ia ki machine thep vote electronics EVM. Ka jing thep vote kan long ha ka sngi sa jan arpo artri rempang nadu kapor new beje menstem hadu kapor sau beje jan miet ha padeng ka jing pahara ka bajur. Ha kabay day kajingwan kinong thep vote ha Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC kalakenjo siya ka 100% but ha Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC kalong 90% hadu kapor lai beje no paisngi. Habapan benaya kini karai u Commissioner and Secretary DCA uba Cyril Dingdo ulaong ka DCA kala hukum ban thep vote biang haki Southly ki jaka thep vote haki artli ki constituency jong ka JHADC ha East Jaintia Hills District. Ka jing thep vote kan long lasai ka singina du kapor new beje menstep hadu kapor sau beje janmen. Ki jaka thep vote ki banlek thep vote biang ki kentup ya ka wapung skur A bat wapung skur B ki bahap apo ka musniang rangat constituency bat ka batau A bat batau B ki bahap apo ka batau la kadong constituency. Barok Southly ki jaka thep vote la itu hukum ki jaka thep vote ki bala ban shakta.
So as you know, the polls to the KHADC and JHADC concluded today. The poll happened from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. So in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, the polling parties have left their polling stations and are on their way to the receiving stations. Some of them have also arrived at the receiving centres. So in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, in all the districts, there was no report of any incidents of violence or any issues. The poll was conducted peacefully in all the Khasi Hills districts. And the polling percentage as of 3 p.m, because we are compiling the polling percentage which will be shared with the press a little later at night. So as of 3 p.m. for KHADC, the polling percentage is 60%. In Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, there were some issues, particularly in East Jaintia Hills District. So we got reports from the DC and the RO that in 2 constituencies, in 4 polling stations, that is in 22 Musniang Rangat DCC constituency in East Jaintia Hills District, in 2 polling stations, namely 7 Wapung Skur male and 8 Wapung Skur female, there was report that an unidentified mob entered the polling station and damaged both the EVMs in these 2 polling stations. So as a result, the report has been received, we have examined, and under the rules, we have ordered for a repoll. The repoll will happen tomorrow at 7 a.m. It will conclude at 4 p.m. So the order is already out from the District Council Affairs Department that a repoll has been ordered for these 2 polling stations under 22 Musniang Rangat District Council constituency in East Jaintia Hills District. Another report was received sometime a while ago from again East Jaintia Hills District, this constituency called 29 Batau Lakadong constituency, under which again an unidentified group of persons entered the polling station and damaged the EVM. This is at 2 polling stations, 7 Batau A, which is a male polling station, and 8 Batau B, which is a female polling station. Here also a report was received that because of the EVM damage, the District Council Affairs Department has ordered a repoll under the rules. So for this also, there will be repoll which will happen tomorrow at 7 a.m. So to summarize, in Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, as per reports received till date, 4 polling stations, 2 under 22 Musniang Rangat District Council constituency, and 2 polling stations under 29 Batau Lakadong District Council constituency will go for repoll tomorrow. Thank you.
What is the reason for this violence?
Now this violence has happened. Now the report has been received. What is the exact reason? What has led this mob to come and do the violence? That, of course, we will need further inquiry and further reports.
So security personnel.
As of now, because of the damage to EVM, the rules allow us to have a repoll. There's a specific rule 143B. So if there's a violence and there's damage to EVM, we have ordered repoll in the interest of free and fair elections, and the repoll will happen tomorrow. DC will take the necessary action. As of now, we are, because of the interest of time, because we need to announce the repoll immediately because it's happening tomorrow, all steps are being taken to ensure the safety and security of all polling parties, that all of them return safely, number one, that in these 4 polling stations where this EVMs were damaged, that polling parties are safe, and to ensure that the DC takes steps with the SP to ensure that tomorrow people are aware that the poll is happening, and through the press we want you to disseminate this information that repoll has been ordered and repoll will happen, so that people can come out and vote tomorrow. These are the urgent priorities given the nature of the time that we have. So we are prioritizing these things. Rest, as per the procedure of law, things will follow. Expect this to happen. These are rare incidences, but the rules allow for such a event to occur. If it occurs, there's a clear path forward. The rule says that in case an EVM is damaged, a repoll should be ordered. And in the interest of free and fair elections, the government has ordered a repoll so that the steps can be taken immediately, because the repoll will happen tomorrow at 7 a.m. As of 3 p.m. up to 3 p.m. is 70% cumulative for all constituencies. KHADC is 60% cumulative for all constituencies. Some of the constituencies which have 80% as of 3 p.m., for example, are in Jaintia Hills, Meghalaya, for example, reported 81% at 3 p.m. Then another constituency in under Jaintia Hills, Nartyang, Wahaja, reported 80% at 3 p.m. Another constituency in Jaintia Hills, War East, reported 83% at 3 p.m. In the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, the average is a little lesser, like we said, and some of them are reporting between 60 to 70% at 3 p.m. But these numbers are expected to go up because the poll will has closed at 4 p.m. So as and when we get the updated figures for all these constituencies, we will share with the press in terms of the actual poll percentage. But please await. Yeah.